how are you all doing? Today we are starting the day from Palolem Beach. So we are here in Palolem Beach. It's like very well-known beach in Goa. I haven't had breakfast till now. We are not gonna have from shack because we have already taken breakfast from home. I have toasted bread, fruits are there, one galaxy is there, and egg burji is there. So we'll be having breakfast from here itself. Played a lot in water, a lot, guys. Now I understood why this Palolem beach is like well known. That's because it's the waves are like really slow, so it's like very comfortable to be in water, and we just can lie down or just sit in water, and then waves will slowly come and touch us. It's like a wonderful feeling, guys. It's amazing. I really loved it to bits. So definitely you must come here, and also you need to play in water, and you're gonna love it, trust me. Hi guys, I'm so sorry I didn't vlog after coming home. I was like pretty busy because I had to prepare lunch. So chapati was already there, and I made kala chana curry, so we had that as lunch. And after that I made Ima sleep, and I had like little bit of editing as well. Then I took a small nap, and now I made dosa batter. It's like done, and we are going out for dinner right now. My brother as well as my brother's friend is also there, so we are going to an interesting place. We absolutely love that restaurant because of the ambience. See you there. Bye. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey, mukti clappy. കഴിഞ്ഞു. Clappy ടാ. Morning. Now it's 8:30. I have prepared breakfast, idli and green peas curry, and this curry is like very easy to make. I put all the vegetables in cooker and masalas as well, and give it like 2 whistles, and it's done. For lunch, I'll be preparing methi leaf or fenugreek leaf rice, and also I'll be adding few vegetables to it. For that, I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice, washed it thoroughly and soaking it in water. Then I have taken vegetables, onion, small piece of capsicum, tomato, green peas, chickpea or chana, which is cooked with a little bit of salt, and methi leaf. So I have already chopped vegetables. Capsicum is chopped, tomato, onion, and ginger and garlic is also chopped in small pieces. And into cooker, I'll be adding 2 spoon of ghee, and then I'll be frying cashews, and to that I'll be adding few masalas or spices, and then ginger and garlic chopped. Then I will sauteing it really well, and then I'll be adding chopped onion. To that little bit of salt, and again then turmeric powder, and little bit of garam masala, green chili, and again I'll be giving it good mix. In between, that's Ima. This is what she does whenever I'm cooking. She comes and holds my legs very tight. She tells me to hold her, but I'm very scared to hold her while I'm cooking because it's very dangerous, right? But when we are alone, we do not have option. So sometimes it's not possible for me to wait till she sleeps. So all I need is to make her busy in kitchen, and then cook. So in between I have added all the vegetables and methi leaf, as you guys have already seen. To that I'll be adding rice and water, sufficient amount of water to cook, and I'll be giving it a good mix. This is very healthy and very tasty as well, especially if you do not like to have methi leaf as a side dish. I do not like it to have it in that way. I like it to have it as a rice. So it's very easy to make as well as very healthy. To that I'll be adding, squeezing out lemon juice, and then I will be closing lid. Then I'll be putting on whistle once the vapor comes, and I will cook it exactly for 4 minutes in medium flame. After that I switch off a stove and let it be there for a good half an hour, and after that, once I open it, this is how it looks like. You guys can see it's very colorful, so I think kids would definitely love it. Even Ima loves it. So what I do is, like, I do not add a lot of green chilies or pepper or anything. I make it very light so that even Ima can have it. To that I'll be adding cashews and coriander, and now I'm just tasting it, and I should say that it is nice. It's very good, it's very healthy, very tasty, and I'll be having it with raita. Best part is that it's very easy to cook. It's so when you do not have time, just make it, and it's gonna save you. And this is mushroom side dish which my neighbor gave me, and this was really good, guys, really good. And here we are gonna make a snack for the day, and this time I'll be making paramburi or banana fry. For that I'll be taking 1 cup of besan, half cup of rice flour, and 2 spoon of sugar, little bit of salt, a pinch of turmeric powder, and I'll be adding sufficient amount of water and giving a good mix. We need the batter to be not so thick and not so thin, somewhat in between. So once it is done, we need to cut banana. So it's your choice to cut banana in whatever shape you want to cut. You can cut it out. I have cut it out in round shape. Usually for banana fritters we cut it out in long shape, very thin and long, but I like to cut it out in round shape because it's easier to have, and also it looks different and cute. And also it would be easier for Ima to have this. So for that matter I'll be cutting out in round shape, and once oil is hot, I have used coconut oil, but then you can definitely use any oil of your choice. So I'll be putting this banana with batter to it in oil, and once it is cooked, once both the sides are golden brown, I'll be taking it out. It's so tasty. This is our favorite snack. Me, Vivek, and Ima, we all love it to bits. Actually, we absolutely love this thing, and Ima also really loves it. So if you are someone who has tea or coffee, have this paramburi or banana fritters with garam garam chai, and you're gonna absolutely love it. I really love it, guys. I really love it. And same with Ima, and look at her expression. This is what she does whenever she see food which she really loves. And for dinner we had chapati and leftover curry from morning. Green peas curry was there, so with that it was today's food was
11:30
done.
now, and Ima slept just now, and in between I took shower, and my hair is not yet dry. Maybe I will go to bed by like 12:30 or 1ish as usual. So I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this vlog. If so, you guys know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.